Hey everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually filming in a different spot in my house. I'm filming at my kitchen table with the natural light shining in. I just wanted to see how this would work compared to my desk because I share my desk space area with my daughter and she's sleeping right now. So we're going to go ahead and do this on the kitchen table. So this is my Simply Gilded December box unboxing. I'm going to open up the bag. So now my order went through December 17th and I just got this today. So today is January 18th. It's exactly 1 month plus 1 day since I ordered this and it just came today. I am to understand that the United States Postal Service was experiencing huge delays because of COVID, so that would be why. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm so excited, and to tell you the truth, there's one item in here that I have been waiting for that generally I don't really care about, and for some reason right now I really need a new one, so we'll take a look. So this is the pretty foil print on the front. It's a little princess plant, and then this kind of geometric design on the side, and then the little bunny on the back. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the little card that tells you what is in the box. This is the sticker album, which I've been wanting to get one of these. I thought they were bigger. This must just fit the mini kit of stickers because obviously it won't fit the larger ones. So that's fine. This is a good place where I'll be keeping my stickers. It's kind of cute and it does have a lot more little clear plastic pieces than I thought it did. And it's got that pretty green on the inside and the bubblegum pink on the outside. This is the item that I have been waiting for, you guys. I just kind of redid my keychain and I needed a keychain charm to go on it. So this is so good right now. I'm so happy that this finally came. It is so pretty. The only thing is the rose gold hardware is not really going to match my keys, but that is okay because it is so pretty. I'm just afraid of getting all dinged up and wrecking it. Okay, then these are the sticky notes. And I know I had some in the October box. They were like little circles, and I don't know what happened to them. I've been searching for them everywhere. You actually get quite a few, so that's really, really nice. Those are really pretty. I wasn't sure about this month's theme, but actually I kind of like it. The more I look at it, the more I like it. This is the B6 notebook. So now I was wondering what I was going to do with these B6 notebooks other than possibly give them away with giveaways that I'm planning on doing in the next while. And I was thinking, so one use is kind of having a notebook in the car or even in your personal times, just so you can jot down some notes if you need to. Generally, if I have my phone on me, that's what I use my phone for. But it would be nice to have something like this in the car, just to write down some notes. Or another use I was thinking of would be using it as a washi tape swatch book. But I have a few of them, so I'm not sure if I need like that many for washi tapes. But you guys know I do have a lot of washi tape. So the next one is the acetate and vellum. I like these. Just sometimes I don't necessarily have a use for them. I did use the October one. I think out of all of them, I think this acetate and this vellum are my favorite. I like this because I like the little leaves and the bows. They're always pretty. Same reason for this one. I like that the background is that lilac kind of pink color. I always like layering them. I think that's pretty. It gives it that shiny finish. Oh, that's shiny. This one, I don't really know what I would use it for. This isn't really my style. Now these are, okay, this must be the surprise because I don't see anything else. Oh, it's so exciting. We're going to keep that for later. So this is the sticker kit and the bow seals. These are the little icons. So they are iridescent overlay on there, which is so pretty. These are the date heart dots. This is the mini little sticker quarter box. Those are pretty. I love the colors of these stickers, you guys. These are the bow seals. I'm wondering what I should use these for as well. And now these are the large stickers. So this has the today, remember, important to do. These are the dates. I love this foil and these stickers. It's so pretty. This is like my favorite one right here. I love that. And so let's get into this before we get into the washi tape, because the washi tape is generally my favorite part. I was thinking about getting the washi only subscription, but then I thought, guaranteed, I'll sign up for that only, and then there'll be something that comes in the box that I will want so bad that I don't get. Okay, so these are those overlays that they're clear pieces. Oh, they're so pretty. They've got that sparkle. They've got these star. I'm not sure if you can see that in the light. It's so pretty. They're like little stars, and you can put it over top the other boxes to make it sparkly and shiny. And then these are cute. They're like clear leaf stickers. That's so pretty. And then for the washi tape and the pen. The washi tape comes in this little pouch. And as you guys may know, I do get the washi tape add-on. This is the journaling card. That's really pretty. Here is the pretty pen. Oh, they're so nice. They're so heavy. I think they're 0.5 if I'm not mistaken. I prefer to write with a 0.7, but these are really nice though. I like that sparkly glitter on the pen. And then I'll probably go ahead and open all of these up because I did recently change my specifically simply Gilded washi tape storage. So it is an acrylic box from Michaels. Before I used to have them in these plastic boxes, but I changed it because I was actually running out of room, to be honest. That is the reason why I changed it. And the Simply Gilded, I feel like they need to go together on their own just because they're so gorgeous. This is like my favorite. I love that right there. So pretty. This is holographic bow foil on there. Let's open up this one. So this is like the 5mm version of this one here. Kind of reminds me of the Witch's Brew a little bit. And this one has that pretty design, kind of like a geometric design, but the planting design with the gold line on it. That's really pretty. And then this is probably my favorite design of all. So this is the pink kind of lavender color with the little pretty planting pots on it. And then this is the add-on. Let's see what this looks like. So you get the tiny washi tape that matches these ones. That's actually nice to have like all three sizes that all match each other. I like that a lot. And then you've got this one that matches the blue. That's really pretty. And then these ones, this kind of matches a little bit, but it's a little bit of a darker green. And then that pretty kind of pink lilac color. So that is it for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. And again, I'm so excited to wait for the January box. It's going to be so pretty. They're probably some of my favorite colors ever. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, I'd love if you would subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave everything down below in the description box. And last but not least, click on that little bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. We'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye now.